Coffee may wake you up, but morning yoga can transform your day. Let's talk about why yoga is the ultimate energy boost, and why having the right yoga mat makes all the difference. Unlike coffee, yoga increases your energy naturally by improving blood circulation and releasing feel-good endorphins. And when you have the perfect mat, like the Manduka Pro or Rigid Fitness yoga mat, the experience becomes even more rewarding. The Manduka Pro is known for its durability and unmatched cushioning. It's perfect for those long, grounding sessions. Meanwhile, the Rigid Fitness mat offers excellent grip and support, making it ideal for dynamic poses. Both options provide the stability and comfort you need to stay focused on your practice. Yoga is not just about flexibility, it's about balance, mindfulness, and strength. The right mat enhances every pose, ensuring you feel supported and confident throughout your routine. And the best part? Unlike coffee, the benefits of yoga last all day long. So, are you ready to trade your coffee for a healthier, longer-lasting energy boost? Click the links in the description to grab your perfect yoga mat today and start your mornings the right way.